make a Christmas star. So I'm using a 4mm hook and some nice white sparkly wool. And I'm going to start off with a slip knot. And chaining 6. 3, 4, 5 and 6. And slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. Now chain 3, and this counts as a double crochet, and into the ring put 2 more double crochets. 1 and 2. Chain 3 and put 3 double crochets into the ring. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 3, put 3 double crochets into the ring. We're going to do this 5 times in all. Chain 3, put 3 double crochets into the ring. 3. So you should have 4 at this stage. Chain 3 and 3 more double crochets into the ring. So you're going to have 5 sets of 3 double crochet. And to finish off round 1, chain 3 and slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 at the beginning of the round. So you will have 5 sets of 3 double crochet and 5 chain 3 in between. Now for row 2, slip stitch along your stitches until you come to the first chain 3 space, and chain 3 counts as a double crochet, and do 1 more double crochet into the ring, chain 3 and put 2 double crochet into the chain 3 space. 1, 2. Now chain 1 and skip across your chain 3, your 3 double crochet, should I say, of the last round into the next chain 3 space, and put 2 double crochet in the chain 3 space. Chain 3 and 2 more double crochet into the same chain 3 space, like that. Chain 1 and skip across your 3 double crochet to the next chain 3 space, and into it you're going to put 2 double crochet, a chain 3 and 2 double crochet, all into the chain 3 space of the previous round. Chain 1, skip across your 3 double crochet into the next chain 3 space and put 2 double crochet, chain 3 and 2 double crochet all into the chain 3 space. So you can see the pattern. The same thing. Chain 1, skip across your 3 double crochet and into the last chain 3 space, put 2 double crochet, chain 3 and 2 double crochet all into the chain 3 space. Chain 1 and slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 of the very beginning of the round, the chain 3 that counted as a double crochet. So that is round 2 done. Okay. Now for round 3 and final round, slip stitch to the chain 3 space, and now we are going to do the little edges. So what you do is you chain 3 and slip stitch back into the chain 3 space, chain 5 and slip stitch back into the chain 3 space, and chain 3 and slip stitch back into the chain 3 space. So you will have in the chain 3 space a chain 3 and slip stitch, a chain 5 and slip stitch, a chain 3 and slip stitch. Now you have 2 double crochet here. So you're going to do a single crochet into the top of each of those. So your first one is this little tiny corner here. So into that, do a single crochet. Into the top of the next double crochet, do a single crochet. And now what we're going to do is wrap your wool around your hook and right down into these 3, into this one here, in between the first and the second of the very first round double crochet. Put your wool needle in and pull your wool up like this, and pull your wool through all 3 stitches, and then pull that tight. So I'll show you again when we come to here how to do that. You're now going to put 1 single crochet in the top of these 2 double crochet. So 1 and 2, and slip stitch into the chain 3 space. In the chain 3 space, chain 3 and slip stitch back into the chain 3 space, chain 5 and slip stitch back into the chain 3 space, and chain 3 and slip stitch back into the chain 3 space. You now have your 2 double crochet. So into this tiny corner here, this tiny little hole here at the top of the double crochet, do a single crochet in the next one, and again we've come to the middle. So wrap your wool around your hook, insert your hook right down into these 3 chain, into the between the first and the second one, pull your wool up. You should have 3 chains on your hook, and pull wool right through those 3 chains and pull that tight. You now have 2 double crochet before your chain 3 space, so put 1 single crochet in the top of each of those and slip stitch into your chain 3 space. So in your third chain 3 space, chain 3 and slip stitch, chain 5 and slip stitch, chain 3 and slip stitch, and again we're back to the 2 double crochet. So into the top of those you do 1 single crochet in each stitch, so that's 2 single crochet, and we're back to the middle. Wrap your wool around your hook, insert it in between the first and second double crochet of the first round, and pull your wool up. So you have 3 chains on the hook, and pull your wool through all 3 chains and pull that tight. Put 1 single crochet in the top of each of the next 2 double crochets and slip stitch into the chain 3 space. In the chain 3 space, chain 3 and slip stitch, chain 5 and slip stitch, chain 3 and slip stitch, single crochet in the top of the 2 double crochets, and we're back again to the center. Wrap your wool around your hook, insert it in between the first and the second double crochet of the first round, and pull your wool up. So you have 3 chains on your hook. Pull your wool through all 3 chains and pull your wool tight. Single crochet in the top of each of the double crochet, leading you up to the chain 3 space, and slip stitch into the chain 3 space, chain 3 and slip stitch, chain 5 and slip stitch, chain 3 and slip stitch, and again we're back to the 2 double crochet, single crochet in the top of those, and again we come to the center. Wrap your wool around your hook, insert it in between the first and second double crochet of the first round, and pull your wool up. Pull your wool through all 3 loops and pull it tight. And we're at the last hurdle now, single crochet in the top. Now you would have slip stitched along these, so it might be hard to get your hook in there, but single crochet in the 2 double crochet, so that's 2 single crochet, and slip stitch just before your chain 3 here. Slip stitch there. Chain 1, cut your wool and pull that through, and then you just need to weave this piece of wool in and out of your project so it doesn't unravel. Okay, I'll cut that. And there you go. Christmas star. All you need to do then is attach a ribbon, and you can hang it from the Christmas tree or just leave it as a decoration. Very easy Christmas star. Thanks.